Hi, I'm Elisa and welcome back to my channel. If you've missed the past few videos where I explained how I started a company, ended up getting sued, losing everything, I'm coming back now to show how I started all over again. So if you looked at the previous video, you will see that I lost everything and I had to give up my trademarks, patents, and everything I had worked for. So I didn't give up, I kept going, and a new day was born, and this became my new company. Now you can see I still use my daughter and I still use my niece Juju, but I had the artist redraw the girls, putting them in more traditional dresses, as well as fixing their hair. And you can see that Juju has buns now, and my daughter still has her pigtails, but we've changed the dresses and we've changed the name because I had to do it. But this ended up being the greatest thing that ever happened to me. So let me go back a few years and explain why. So after I lost everything, I ended up going downtown in the city that I lived in, and there was a space opened, and my dream was always to have a little mercantile. I used to love Little House on the Prairie, and I really loved the characters who ran the mercantile. Don't know why, just did. It was something that I loved as a kid. So there was a tiny little shop in the downtown area, and I went to the leasing office to find out how much it would cost me to rent out this space. And it was pretty reasonable. So after talking with my husband, we decided to go ahead and let's open up the store. So it was wonderful. It was so tiny. I don't think this little shop was more than 400 feet. And if I can find a video or a picture of us building it out, I'll add it.
Hi, it's me, Michaela, and I'm taking a video of the shop. Hi. Oh, this is my little brother, Mikey.
Stop kicking the walls.
This is my mommy. She's working on the wall.
There's trees. Don't do that.
Say hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Hi.
His cast. He's in a body cast right now. And wait, do one again. Oh, that's his belly button. He wants to show you that. Right now, they're doing work in the shop. I can show you. Yeah. Did you see my dad? Did you? Let me just check. Yeah, that's him. If you didn't see it, then I'm sorry. And yeah, that's the video.
But I just loved it. It was just the dream. It was everything I wanted. It was everything I made. So I just want to say that when someone tries to hold you down, sue you for everything, there is always a way for you to come back, rebuild, refresh. I opened a beautiful little mercantile of my own little store, and girls came from all over to just be there and to shop. And it was just wonderful. We even got the city involved. We had the art museum come in and do projects for the kids, and we would have events, and it was just such a fulfilling place, a dream of mine, something that I love. And I just want to tell you, don't ever give up. If you get sued, if you get a holdback, there's always something God has waiting for you that's even bigger and better and greater than maybe you could have ever imagined. And I'm showing you what happened after I reinvented my business, and I came back and I ended up opening my own little shop, and I got to see these faces in person that smiled back at me, and I was able to give back to the community. And it's just such a wonderful feeling. I hope this inspires you to keep going, keep pursuing your dreams, and don't let anybody ever stop you from the path that has been set for your life. I'm Elisa, and this is my story.